Video of socket welding for stainless steel water supply pipe. One. Preparing materials and tool. Protective eye shield, goggles, dry cloth, pipe, polishing soap, SW fittings, polishing wheel, hand miller, argon arc welding machine, argon. 2. Connection. 1. Wear goggles. Use a hand miller to clean up the burrs on the pipe end and use dry cloth to clean the surface of pipe and fittings. 2. Wear protective eye shield and insert the pipe into the socket to the bottom. Spot welding around the edge of the socket with argon arc welding. Make them fixed. 3. Spot welding around the weld for a circle. The surface of the weld formed a fish scale shape. 4. Check the weld seam carefully. Avoid trachoma, cracks, weld leakage, non-fusion and other phenomena. 5. Polish the weld seam by polishing wheel. 6. After installation, it is suggested to disinfect the pipeline with 3% potassium permanganate solution. It is forbidden to use bleaching water and other solution containing chloride ions for disinfection, and then wash the pipeline with clean water after disinfection.